From January 22nd, 24 to January 30th, 24, the government of UK took action by revoking the licenses of 148 companies. This means that these 148 companies can no longer bring people from outside the UK into the country. Additionally, those individuals who were already brought in will face deportation unless they find another job within 60 days of receiving a letter from the UKVI. It is important to note that the UK government is cracking down on employers who do not provide genuine job offers and exploit individuals coming from overseas. They are committed to ensuring that employers follow the law and provide the promised employment conditions mentioned in the certificate of sponsorship. The government has specifically focused on scrutinizing the health and social care sector, particularly care assistants and senior carers. They have made it clear that for individuals to be sponsored to work in the UK, their employer must be regulated by the CQC, Care Quality Commission. The Care Quality Commission is responsible for inspecting all health and social care organizations in UK, including NHS, hospital, care homes, and community settings. Care is taken very seriously in the United Kingdom, whether it involves vulnerable adults or children. The care sector is a highly scrutinized industry because any mistakes can put people's lives at risk. When the Care Quality Commission conducts inspections, they provide care homes with ratings to show their performance. An outstanding rating means the home meets all requirements and is doing exceptionally well. A good rating indicates that the home is doing the right things overall. A needs improvement rating means that the home needs to make improvements. It's important to note that not all CQC regulated employers have the sponsor's license to bring you in, and not all employers with the sponsor license are CQC regulated. These are two different things. You will notice that there are many tasks for you to complete. First, you need to find out if the people implying you are CQC regulated. If they are not, the UK government will not provide the necessary causes. Once you confirm that they are CQC regulated, you also need to ensure they have the sponsor license permit. It's important to note that CQC only operates in England, while Wales, Northern Ireland, and Scotland have their own governing bodies, which I will introduce in subsequent videos. However, we will all grateful that the UK government did not completely abolish the care visa. They still need you to come here and do the job. The only issue is that you may have to come without your family. So keep pushing and continue with your application. Now let me show you the CQC website on my screen. I will guide you on how to search for CQC regulated companies that can bring you to the UK. This is the official website of the CQC, which stands for Care Quality Commission. They are independent regulator for health and social care in England. Take a look at how it works. They regulate various services such as care home, hospital, dental services, home care agencies, GP services, and mental health in the community. So even if you are employed in this community, they still regulate them. They rate services on the 4-point scale with categories like outstanding, gold, require improvements, and inadequate. To increase your chances, make sure the care home you are applying to has CQC regulation. Now I want to encourage you to take the next steps. If you are looking for a care home, click the care home and search for the company. Let's say we click on care home and they provide options to find a care home. Alright, now we need to check the quality of care. Click on search for a care home and enter the name of the care home you want, like Roseland Care Limited. Now need to enter the location, just click on search. You will see that we have 14,743 results for care homes. Now we are specifically looking for Roseland. Here it is, Roseland Care Limited, with an overall rating of good. It's a good care home, so you can apply for it. You may have noticed that Roseland is regulated by CQC. The next step is to go to the sponsor license list and research for Roseland Care Limited to make sure they can sponsor you. Remember, a care home may be on the sponsor list but not CQC regulated, or it may be CQC regulated but not on sponsor list. As you can see, Land Care Limited cannot sponsor you, it's important to be clear about the regulations of your organization before applying for a job. So you have seen in the list there is no Rose Care Limited in the sponsorship list, so they cannot sponsor you in the UK. So I have shown you how to check all these things and make sure they can sponsor and are CQC regulated before starting your job application. I hope this information is helpful and valuable to you. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video.